Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp was unable to start the camera if you continue to experience issues with the camera problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow me all steps. Now first open your Play Store app, tap on Play Store, check if your WhatsApp app has the latest version. Now search WhatsApp. Finally your WhatsApp app is updated. Now go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search camera, tap on camera, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage. Now clear cache, clear data. Now back option, again search WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, then OK, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now tap on permission and allow all permission. Now WhatsApp allow all permission. And finally open your WhatsApp app. Now call any person. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.